I'm just coming on to show you what I have made and sending out for a swap that I did in a Facebook group. I'm actually sending this out to the lovely Lindsay Lou, who you know on Instagram. So I'll leave Lindsay's Instagram information in the description box below. And what this is a fully loaded pocket, and as you can see it is very loaded. It's a 3-tier pocket and it's full of lots of goodies. And I will link the tutorial for this. It's by Scrapped World. And the theme for this swap was happy and bright. So I have made it and I've completed it, so I thought I would just pop on and show you what I've made as a quick project share. I've made Lindsay a card and I've just used this paper. Now the paper collection that I used is the Good Vibes that I bought from Cheryl Simone Craft Store. And then I've just added a few things for my own stash on there, including like these foam letters that I got from the range. I think they're so fun, and stickers as well. I'll put another sticker on the back there, and then the card I have decorated. I fussy cut some of the images, like these houses and stuff, from the sheet, and they came with lots of cutter parts as well and tags. And then the butterflies and the heart stickers are all from the range, and I also added a couple of enamel dots that I had from Stash. I think they're from AliExpress, and then some die cuts that I got from a magazine that had like a Maggie Holmes collection in it, so it had lots of die cuts, and Maggie Holmes works with crepe paper, so it's kind of like a similar vibe, so they work really well with that as well. I just put my stamp on the back, and then there's a message in there for Lindsay to say you know, here's my swap. And then we'll go through each pocket. So here at the front in the shallow pocket, I've made a memory decks card. So done a little bit of layering, a little bit puffing up. Added, like I said, some of the elements. Fussy cut this cactus out of the pad, and it's backed on a gold metallic memory decks. On the back I've just added my stamp detail like that. Then I made 4 tags, and I've just added this really soft mint wool to each one. So try to keep with this happy and bright theme, so lots of lovely messages, let your kindness fill the world, lots of different layering with the tags and things. And then I double back these, so it was the paper plus cardstock, so it makes them really thick. Added some flowers as well from my stash. Here's the other one. I used a little bit of black in this as well, just because I think black makes colour pop a lot more, and with it being a happy and bright theme, I felt like black was a good colour to choose. And then here in this middle pocket, I've done a sequins mix, and I've just created this sort of like embellishment layering piece that I would have normally stuck on there, but then you wouldn't see the sequin, so I just thought I'd hook it on with a bulb clip instead. So just done that with one of the element pieces, scrap bit of paper, stitched it together, and I added this chipboard piece here, and then this is the sequins mix that I created for Lindsay. I've added a little gift. This wasn't a requirement, but I just felt a bit generous. I just made this pocket to fit the gift. Another sticker. I've not sealed it down because I wanted to show you. It's just a stamp set. That's the stamp set that I got with that Maggie Holmes kit, but I realised I don't actually need it. I have something quite similar, so I'm happy to gift that on, and hopefully Lindsay will get some use of it. The other bit was to make a 4x4 envelope. So this is my 4x4 envelope, as you can see, and turn it into an art piece. So I used one of the larger cutter parts here. I've used some flowers again from my stash. This cactus is from my Cactus Cuties stamp and punch set that I got from Stampin' Up. And like I say, lots of fussy cut images, lots of images from the pack, flowers, enamel dots, I've cut out some of these metallic stars and shapes just to add for layering. And so that is my art piece. Then we need to send some stamped images. So what I've done here is I've got 2 bags of stamped images. And the front of this one, this is actually stuck down just with a bit of double-sided tape. It's not fully stuck because it can be removed. I've done one of my new Julie Nutting dolls. I think she's so cool. And then I added some of this tulle here, which has got the sequins in it. Stitched it down. Added another one of these cactuses from the Cactus Cuties. And it says just for fun, which is a cut apart from the sheets. And then inside this particular bag is I've stamped out lots of these Julie Nutting dolls and different papers to make the dresses and stuff like that, so that Lindsay can have a little play with the Julie Nutting doll stamps. And then in the other bag, I've just done some more stamps from my stamp collection, which I've done some robots, some butterflies. I think I've done the girl with the butterfly catcher. Just some really, really cute images. So I've put them in these holographic bags, and then I've just attached them with a pink ribbon. So that was in the middle section. And then here in the top section, stand up. I've made a bookmark, again using one of my new Julie Nutting dolls. The stamps, I did a sentiment along a really long one because I think a great place to use them on a long bookmark. As always, be on the lookout for the presence of wonder. I did enamel dots and flowers. I didn't want to make it too bulky because obviously it's a bookmark. And then just added some more of this really soft wool at the top. Then in here we had to make 3 packs of embellishments, handmade embellishments, a minimum of 4 to a pack. So like I did with the stamped images, I created this little piece just to go on top of the packaging. Just some tags and paper, again with the tulle, some chipboard pieces, the butterflies, enamel dots, and this little die cut here says "Let Your Kindness for the World," which is, you know, was sentiment going on. And then out of limitations come creativity, I like that message as well. So actually in this one here, I'm going to have to undo the bow so you could see. Oh, oopsie daisy. So I've used this bright yellow ribbon. So in this one here, I've just made 4 of my favourite bows. So I've done these, and they're all in different colours, but I won't get them all out. But I've just put the metallic colours in the back and then used the paper collection. So they're really sturdy bows, and this is my favourite bow. So I really do love making those and gifting them. So there's that one. And then the other one is I made these ticket embellishments with the metallic paper. So I used the green, silver, gold and purple. And then I did the Cactus Cuties in between. So I've done like a green in this one and a green in that one, and then a pink in this one and that one. So there's 4 of them there. Just added a little bit of embellishment extra with the enamel dots and flowers. But they are for Lindsay to use, so she can further embellish them more if she wishes to. And then the other embellishments that I made are these, the VW vans, one of my favourite embellishments to make. A lot of paper piecing, but totally worth it. They're really sturdy. I'll just grab one out now, or 2. There we go. So they are double backed, and they have got an acetate in the window there as well. I didn't use all of the die pieces. There were a lot that you could put on for the number plate and everything like that. But you get luggage as well that goes on top. But I just kept it more on the simpler side. Like I said, if Lindsay wants to use this as a topper or whatever, then, you know, that's crafter's choice. So I didn't want to go too mad and crazy with it. But at the same time, I wanted to make something nice. So they are my handmade embellishments. I'll just pop them over there. And then another requirement was to include some stickers. So I'll make that way around. I've just used my foam stickers again to write stickers. And then just did some more layering pieces, and I made this envelope out of one of the 12 by 12 sheets of paper. I really like this one. I think it's very interesting. And then on stickers that I've included some of these funky cactuses and some of these bright and colourful cats. So still sticking with the bright and happy theme. So I'll just pop them in that envelope just to make it look pretty when sending. Put them back in there. And then finally the last thing was to make a fun wand. So here's the one that I made. It's got, again, one of the metallic stars. I've got this huge puffy toucan sticker that I got from Hobbycraft in the sales like about 2 years ago. I picked up loads of them. I got these like flowers. These are the Prima ones from Cheryl's store. Lots of little Hobbycraft ones here and here. Enamel dots. I made a rosette and then backed it up on a black scallop, so it's like black on the back as well. Black straw, and then the trim that I've used, I've got this lime green, the yellow, and then this really hot pink, which I think is all bright and very happy. And then if you take a look here at the actual pocket, you can see the papers that I've used. Again, I kind of broke it up with the black and white. I feel like that makes the colour pop even more. So that's everything that I am sending to Lindsay. I'm going to package it all up into a box now and get it posted out to her. So hopefully, well, she will get it before you see this video. Hopefully she said she likes it. I would like to say I really enjoyed making this. So if anyone is interested in doing this kind of swap with me, I will also leave my email address in the description box, so we can discuss that, but it will only be UK only at the minute, just because, you know, packaging and stuff. I just want to do this a bit, you know. it's difficult because I don't want to leave people out, but you know, cost has gone right up, and it's yeah, it's becoming a bit of a nightmare. But anyway, I enjoyed making this, so yeah. So thanks for watching. Take care. See you soon.